Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Students, today we are going to discuss the simplification of algebraic expression. So, we are going to start with exercise 12.2, question number 1. Now, this is question number 1. First part, it is simplify combining the like terms. Now we have to simplify it. In order to simplify this, first of all we have to see that which are the like terms. Now I have told you earlier that like terms are the terms which have the same variable. So now we can see here it is 21b, this is 7b and this is minus 20b. Now here b is the variable. So we will write the terms which are having the same variables together, 21b plus 7b minus 20b, and this constant minus 32 we will write here. So now we will see 21b plus 7b. Like terms we can add 21b plus 7b is 28b minus 20b minus 32. Now again these are like terms, but now we have subtraction. So 28b minus 20b is 8b. 28 minus 20, 8, and b is the variable. So it is 8b minus 32. Further we know 8 4 is 32. We will take 8 common and we are left with b minus 4. Answer. So as we are having the question of simplification, so better you can leave your answer here also, like this. So you can leave your answer here also. It is 8b minus 32, or you can write like this also, 8 bracket b minus 4. In any way you can give your answer. Now see the second part. Minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. Now first of all, in this question we have to see which are the like terms and we have to write the like terms together. So we can see z square and 13z square. Minus z square and 13z square are like terms and they are written, both they are written together only. So we can solve here in this step only. This is 13 and this is minus 1. If no number is written, it means we are having 1. So 13 minus 1 is 12. 13 minus 1 is 12. So it will be 12z square minus 5z. Now minus 5z and minus 15z are like terms. So I have written minus 15z first and then at the last I will write 7z cube. Now 12z square. Now let us solve this. Both the terms are negative. Minus 5 minus 15. If both the numbers are negative, then we add, right? And the sign comes off minus. Minus 5 minus 15 is minus 20z plus 7z cube. So now we can see there are no like terms. Here we are having z cube, here we are having z square, and here we are having z. So no terms are like terms. So this is our answer. See the next part bete. P minus bracket p minus q minus q, then minus bracket q minus p. For this what we have to do? First of all we need to open the bracket. Now see p, this minus is getting multiplied with both the numbers, both the variables inside the bracket. Like it will be minus p, minus multiplied by minus will become plus, plus q, then minus q, again minus q minus minus plus p. Now we can see if we are having 1 plus p and 1 negative p, then p minus p 0, or we can simply cut it. If we are having one variable with positive sign and one with negative, तो हम उसको ऐसे कट कर सकते हैं, right? So now no sign in front, it means positive. Plus p and minus p will get cancelled. Similarly, plus q and minus q will get cancelled, and we are left with minus q plus p, or we can write it as p minus q. It is one and the same thing. So this is the solution of third part. Next question, 3a minus 2b minus ab, then minus this bracket plus 3ab plus b minus a. So now here again we can see what will be the first step. The first step is to open the bracket. After that we will see which are the like terms. So first of all, let us open the bracket. 3a minus 2b minus ab. Now this minus sign will multiply with each of the term inside the bracket. So minus a minus minus plus b minus plus minus ab plus 3ab plus b minus a. Right? We have opened the bracket. Now see the like terms. 3a minus a and this one more minus a. So we will write it together, 3a minus a minus a. Then minus 2b plus b, again one more b, that is plus b. Now we are left with minus ab, one more minus ab, and then plus 3ab. So whichever term I am writing, I am marking it underlined so that no term is left, right? So in case if any term is left and we haven't underlined that and that term is left, we can see and we can write it afterwards, right? Now I have written all the terms. Now see beta, 3a minus a, you can do orally also. 3a minus a is 2a, 2a minus a is a, right? Or we can do like this also. Minus a means this is 1 and 1, minus 1 is minus 2a. So either you can write like this, 3a minus 2a, and then in the next step a, right? Or you can directly also write down 3a minus a is 2a, 2a minus a is a. So a, then minus 2b, b plus b plus 2b, minus ab is minus 2ab plus 3ab. I have written this. You can do orally also in your mind and you can directly write down the answer also. So it will be a, this will get cancelled, 1 plus 2b and 1 minus 2b, it will get cancelled, and these are again the like terms. 3 minus 2 is 1, positive 1, as 3 is bigger and it is having plus sign. So plus 1 ab, or we can write a plus ab. We can leave this 1. So this is the solution. See the next question. 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus bracket 8y minus y square minus 4. Again, we will open the bracket first of all. 3y square plus 5y minus 4. Then minus is outside the bracket. It means all the sign of the terms inside the bracket will get changed. So it will be minus 8y, minus into minus, plus y square, minus into minus, plus 4. Right? Now we will see the like terms. 3y square plus y square plus 5y minus 8y minus 4 and plus 4, right? So now 3y square plus y square is 4y square. 5y minus 8y. So one is positive, other is negative. So if one number is positive, other number is negative, what we do? We subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3, but now 8 is bigger and it is having negative sign. So we will have minus 3y, and plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. So we are left with these two terms, and this is our answer. So students, today we have learned how to do the simplification of algebraic expression, right? And now you will be doing even questions, even parts of question number 1 of exercise 12.2 in your fair notebook. Take care. Thank you.